Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily convert an image into text. So once you convert this image into text, the text you've got, you can easily convert it into your notes, or you can convert it into a Word document. Alright, having said all that, let's get into it. So what you need to do, just navigate to your Play Store. So go ahead and open it up and then type in Microsoft Office. So as you can see, so Microsoft Office is right here. So go ahead and tap on it, install it, and then go ahead and open it. So once you open it up for the first time, I will be required to sign in with your Microsoft account. So go ahead and sign in with your Microsoft account. And once you sign in, they will bring you onto this page, onto this interface, as you can see right here. So they will show you all your documents that you have. And then when you tap on the plus icon, you can see the options you have. You have the option for notes, lens, or Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and many more. And then the other thing, you can also tap on the actions, and then they will show you all those. And then they will show you all those options. So you have option to transfer files, share nearby. You have convert text into images right here. Then do more with PDFs. As you can see, so you have all those options, but for today you're converting an image into text. So what you need to do, go ahead and tap on image to text, and then you'll be required to look for that document that you want to convert. So I'll look for that document right here. So this is the document that I want to convert into text, and once you select it, you'll be required to select the printed area that you want to convert. So once you're happy, go ahead and tap on continue. So they're extracting. So there you go. So this is your text. So this is your image, as you can see right here. And then this is the text. So your image has been converted into text, as you can see right here. So you have two options. You can go ahead and tap on copy, or you can go ahead and tap on share. After you've copied your text, so you can go ahead and tap on that X icon, and then you exit. So go ahead and exit that, and then tap on the plus icon over there, and then tap on notes. Tap right there, and then go ahead and paste. So once you paste, you'll have your text into your notes right here. So your notes, so your text is being converted into notes right here, which you can go ahead and edit with those options right there. And then tap on the three dot icon. You can change the color of your notes, as you can see over there. And then also you can go ahead and share. So as you can see right here, your notes will be saved. And then the other option, you can go ahead and tap on the plus icon, and I'll tap on Word right there. So as you can see, you can convert your text into your Word document, Excel, or PowerPoint. So I'll convert it into Word document. So I'll tap on a black document. So as you can see, so press and hold into the screen, and then tap on that down arrow. So go ahead and paste. So once you paste, you'll be able to see the text that you copied from your image, as you can see. So you can go ahead and edit this text to your preference. So you can go ahead and bold, so you can go ahead and use these options right here. As you can see, you can bullet, you can add an image, you can add a table. So you have all those options there. And once you're done editing and you're happy, so go ahead and tap on that three dot icon in the corner right there. So you can go ahead and share, save, or save as. So let's tap on save as right there. And with save as, you can save your document onto your OneDrive over there, or you can save it to your device, which is this mobile, or you can go ahead and connect it to another place, to cloud storage, or you can go ahead and maybe save it to Google Drive over there, and then you can also save the document. So I'll just say image to maybe text. Then I'll choose maybe save onto this device. So I'll say documents, and then I will save. So it will be saved, as you can see right there, and then you can go back. So as you can see, you still have your document right here, so it is saved, it is right there. And then this is your notes that you made, so you can sign out and then sign back in, and you'll be able to see your text. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you found value in this video, go ahead and like, share the video, and then subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're new, and tap that notification bell so that you're the first to be notified whenever I release new content like this. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.